Hello, dear children. Today we will talk about how to take care of your safety online. Imagine that the internet is a huge park full of paths and places to play, but just like in a real park, we need to be careful about certain things. Sit comfortably and listen to the story of how the little animals learn to use the internet wisely. By a big tree, the rat and the ladybug were talking about their favorite online games. The rat mentioned that in one of them, he had to give his name and address to get a bonus. The ladybug was surprised and said that she always uses a nickname and never shares her real information. After thinking for a moment, the rat admitted that it was probably unwise. I explained to them that sharing private information online can be dangerous, and it is better to use nicknames. At the playground, the parrot and the frog were wondering if it was safe to click on links sent by strangers. The parrot recalled that she once received a message with a link to win a contest, but she was afraid to click it. The frog admitted that he once clicked on such a link, and his computer started acting strangely. I explained to them that clicking on suspicious links can lead to viruses, and it is always better to ask adults or check where the message came from. On the meadow, the sparrow and the guinea pig were sitting. I asked them what to do if someone writes something mean to them online. The sparrow suggested that they could just turn off the computer, and the guinea pig added that they could also report such behavior to adults. After their answers, I confirmed that both methods are good, but it is best not to respond to such messages and to inform a trusted person. It was a wonderful conversation about online safety. I hope you now know how to protect your data, avoid clicking on suspicious links, and how to react to mean situations online. Remember, the internet can be a great place if we use it wisely. See you in the next episode.